So these are the reasons why we took so long.
The state government has commenced work on the New Shillong Township Water Supply Scheme, which will integrate the supervisory control and data acquisition system, also known as the SCADA system, for efficient water distribution monitoring and fault detection. PHE Minister Marcus N. Marak highlighted the challenges of involving local contractors as they may not possess the advanced technology needed for the project. He also confirmed that the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 will be completed by March next year.
Government is taking lots of initiative to revive those dry sources, and some of the dry sources which needs to be rejuvenated. The projects are on the pipeline. Some of the projects could not be implemented till now because of the certain procedures. Once it is done, I think we'll be able to address the kind of situation that we are facing. But